Another airdrop on the Cosmos network. The Jackal token has been airdropped. I'm going to show you how to get it and how to stake it right away and get some pretty sweet APRs. Let's go. Really quick before we get into this, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these airdrops. I've been doing every single Cosmos airdrop in one way or another, either a YouTube short, or I'm doing full videos on how to get these airdrops. This airdrop is Jackal Protocol. To get the airdrop, you had to do nothing. It was airdropped into your wallet if you were a staker of ATOM or Juno. If you're a secret staker and you were supposed to get it, you will not get it until the upgrade, secret upgrade is deployed. It shows, it says, you'll be unable to claim the secret portion of your Jackal tokens until the version 1.5 upgrade is deployed on Secret Network, which isn't expected to happen until November 2nd. Credit to CryptoChem. I saw this on Twitter. Thank you for that. Okay, we're going to go over to yieldmos.com. I've been using this for all of my auto compound staking. It's been a really good site so far. You connect your Kepler wallet, then you can see that you already have Jackal in your wallet if you do qualify for the airdrop. I have 5.38 tokens here. I'm going to get more with the secret airdrop. A lot of people will. If you have secret staked, then you should get some as well. Okay, we're just going to scroll down to Jackal. It's right here. It's getting a 66% APR. Just staked. If we have it auto compounding, you're getting 93% APY. And we'll hit select strategy, hit next, and then we're going to have to select the validator. I was looking it up. I decided to go with friends, I think. Yeah, somewhere down here. There it is. Do friends, then you type in your amount. We only have 5.4 tokens. I think we have to do 5.3 because you have to do a little bit less for gas. Hit next. Hit next again, then confirm. Okay, we are auto staking with Jackal token, and it's down here, and it's 93% APY. Expires in 92 days. So we'll check on these every once in a while to see when they expire if you're able to restake. One thing I kind of randomly did, and I suggest that you try it too, is I went up and down each one of these chains to check to see if I had any of these tokens in my wallet. And I must have had, I had Asset Mantle in there, and I also had Cerebrus in there as well. I don't remember ever claiming those. I must have qualified at some point and they were airdropped to my wallet, and I found those in there and I went ahead and staked them. So I had 4,639 of these Cerebrus tokens and then 227 Mantle tokens. So just double check. If you know, I don't remember ever claiming those, so maybe you will get a surprise as well. So that's how we stake Jackal tokens. I really do like this yieldmos.com. It's been doing really well. I check it at least once a week to see how it's doing, and it's doing great. Once again, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on videos of future Cosmos ecosystem airdrops. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.